Last year we only installed 4 boilers and we've done 9 this month so far, and we've already got 2 more booked in. I can now work less for more money and enjoy more time with my family. Just in the discovery day, I learnt more than what I thought I knew already. My name's Scott Jackson and I'm from First Call Plumbing and Heating Solutions. So my turnover before joining Trade Mastermind was around £76,000 for the year. This year we've exceeded that already. We're around about £80,000 so far this year since joining in January. I think the biggest problem before joining Trade Mastermind was not knowing my numbers and not working to a profit margin. Figuring out materials and then adding £1,000 were probably my business model before joining Trade Mastermind. Now it's figuring out materials, what my costs are, and then working to a profit margin between 25 and 42% profit. I think Trade Mastermind's helped me the most with understanding my numbers, understanding the value of the job that I'm doing and putting the value into the price. So it's definitely helped me gain bigger profits for a higher ticket job. What's changed the most since joining Trade Mastermind is going back to chasing the higher ticket jobs. I can now work less for more money and enjoy more time with my family. This month I've spent 4 days with my son, which never get to do before. Well, I missed the first 6 months of his life through working away, you see, so now not working away, going for the bigger ticket jobs, I can afford to have a few extra days off. I use the subbies for the boiler installs because I'm not gas safe and I predominantly do the bathrooms. Like I say, I've done 9 boiler installs just this month and I'm not even gas safe. That's what Trade Mastermind's also taught me. I'd 100% definitely recommend Trade Mastermind just to change your mindset and how you think about business. You might think you know everything, but once you come here and you actually learn how to be a business person, that's when you realise you didn't really know anything.